Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 E300 4MATIC. This one's black. Under the hood is a inline 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with the sports wheels package, which is going to give you 18-inch AMG 5-spoke wheels. Tires are in good condition. Also gives you a sports exterior and interior. We've got a MB text interior, sunroof. Come along back. We've got our E300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, comfort box, a set of all-season floor mats, fold-down rear seats. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 2 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, a keyless entry, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, a nice natural grain black ash wood trim, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, pedal shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation, a rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, a hard keys for our radio and media, wireless charging point, USB port, our key and a cup holder, some buttons for our multimedia display. This E-Class has 47,832 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E-Class, check out feldmanimports.com.